In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monitor Google Trends RSS feeds to auto-generate content ideas on n8n. Staying ahead of viral topics can be exhausting if you are manually checking trending searches every single day. By automating this process inside n8n, you can capture surging search queries, auto-generate structured content angles, and send them straight into your planning hub without lifting a finger. As you can see on the Google Trends page on my screen right now, Google constantly tracks surging topics across regions. Automating this stream ensures you never miss a trending conversation. Before creating the workflow in n8n, ensure you have a Google Sheet named Daily Google Trends ready with headers for trend title, publication date, source link, search volume, title idea, and fast facts idea. To start our workflow, we add a daily schedule trigger node in n8n, set to execute every morning at 8 a.m. Next, we add an HTTP request node named Fetch Google Trends. This node sends a post request to Google Trends Batch Execute RPC endpoint to pull raw trending search items. Then, we pass the response into a JavaScript Code node named Decode Filter Sort. This script decodes the raw batch execute array, filters for active trends started within the last 7 days with over 100,000 searches, and sorts them by volume. Essentially, while we use clean code logic here to filter trends, naturally, you could also attach an AI chat assistant node like OpenAI or Claude to generate fully fleshed out script drafts or social posts. Next, we route the output into an edit field set node called Format Content Ideas.
Here, we assign standard metadata like trend title and source link, while creating instant content templates such as why everyone is talking about the trend title. Finally, we attach a Google Sheets node called Append to Content Plan, configured to append rows into our daily Google Trends sheet. Let's test the workflow now by clicking Execute Workflow. Moving over to our daily Google Trends Google Sheet, you can see that the sheet instantly updates with newly captured trending queries and ready-to-use content hooks. That is how you automatically transform Google Trends into fresh content ideas on n8n. Which specific niche or topic are you planning to track with this automation? Let me know in the comments below.